yeah. So, as you know, you must have your drift vehicle maintained. So you can be proactive about it, or you can be reactive about it. Most of us reactive, right? Especially when it comes to the clutch. So yeah, the seat time teaser, aka Lucid, aka training car. Clutch had a change, so I link up with a good buddy of mine, Kurt. We link up with this twin disc H-gas full clutch kit. Best thing to do with Altezza, if it's with a 3S manual, best thing is to just get rid of that whole flywheel and whole clutch assembly. Get rid of that, because that dual mass flywheel and it's in all that way, especially when you rough it up. It don't last as long. So let's show you how it is be. See that? Yeah. After a while, this whole thing will spin, and you'll swear your clutch slipping. So I'm going to try and finish up here, and you compare them side by side so you can see the difference. Get this up. Right. Here are the pressure plate. Alright. Have the first disc, and you can see how, but I don't have much. Right? It's halfway there. Right? So neither here or there, it's halfway. Right? Then you have this other plate. It is the middle plate, and you have the gear keep on top, and the last disc, and the flywheel. Right, so when you're going to torque, right, make sure you have a torque clutch. So this is supposed to be at 80 foot-pounds. So you start off with small increments, like probably 40, and then you touch 40, you touch I would say 60, and then you can go up to probably 80 from there. But some people just do 40, 60, 70 and then 80 in small increments, you know. To make sure you get the bolt time to cool down, and make sure it torque correctly. Right, so remember, it's a used clutch. Why twin this? I mean, it should last longer. Right? I'm gonna do a little test after. And I'll see what is what. Give us some feedback. One test it. It's alright, 50%. Better than no percent, right? So, well, the good thing it could work for a while. Right? So, yeah, so I just ordered 2 new clutch discs, middle plate, Hold on, middle plate. Now this is the clutchless. So 2 new clutchless. Thanks again, Kirk. Appreciate it. Go and wash down and training. Right, so all you don't forget, call them up if you want to get some training. You can use the teaser, aka Seek Time Teaser, aka Lucy, yeah, Nikki. Right, so yeah, 467-4091. It's out there, right? So make the call, get the seat time in. Only the best for you guys, man. Only the best. I'm prepping. I got any parts. Going to turbocharge this 3S here. Yeah, a little 300, nothing crazy. 300 good, 300 good for you guys. What do you think? 300 good for me, 300 good for everybody. 300 after 300 is what? Alright, later. Right, so before I forget, you have the price given to do, right? Well, yeah. Custom decal NRG steering. So, yeah, now checking out the channel here. Thanks for the support, guys. What do I do? I go here. Who the hell is that? Now there's a program, Digital Justice build, to pull a random name from the comment, well, from the video, from the, which one, that's the prize giving video, right? Who's this? AnDrEwZ. Hey, AnDrEwZ. Who the hell is this? When was your comment? Your comment was, yo, Kerry, I'm a youth here, like the drifting scene. I don't mind linking. Alright, we can link up. So feel free, you can get vibes in teaser or RT325G. Alright, message me on YouTube. So just to make sure it's you, right? And then I will send you further instructions. Alright, so whoever that is, Andrew from Trini _Trini. I don't have a date when this was. Yeah, make yourself known and authenticate your comment. Alright, how much this card? Right, so that is it. Giveaway overs. The receiver will receive energy. I feel we'll do our next one. Who will get the apparel? What do you think? Yeah, apparel next. Alright, so that will be next week. Yeah, I'll do the apparel. Alright. So, yeah.